everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some padsicles as well as just kind of taking you along my day. I am 37 weeks. I'm currently 1 centimeter dilated, 60% effaced, if you guys know what that means. 1 centimeter dilated, you have to be 10 centimeters to push out a baby. So just the fact that I'm 1 centimeter, I could be 1 centimeter for 3 weeks. Who knows? I was actually admitted into the hospital with Phoenix at only 1 centimeter dilated. I went from a 1 to a 10 in 3 hours. So she literally could come any day. So I thought, what better way to prep than to make padsicles? So padsicles, I already made one, and they are the bomb. You'll thank me. Your vagina will thank me for this. So I thought I would just take you along the process. I was just gonna make a bunch for myself, store them in the freezer because we're getting close. So you don't want to do these too far in advance to your labor because they're only good in the freezer for like 4 to 6 weeks. So the closer to your due date as possible, the better. So to make these, you're gonna need some big old pads because you're gonna bleed a lot. And then you're gonna use aloe vera, witch hazel. You wanna make sure your witch hazel does not have any alcohol in it. And then you can do whatever, there's a couple different essential oils. I prefer the lavender. It's super soothing, but these all have healing benefits. Plus the cooling when you store them in the freezer are so, they're just so good. I made these with my first pregnancy just to see if I would like them, and they were truly a lifesaver when it came to my postpartum recovery. They just felt so good because it was just like, it was cooling down there, but also I had a 2nd degree tear, so for the stitching, this just felt really good, really soothing, healing. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to make it. So step 1, you're going to unwrap your pad. Now I have the one with wings on it. I'd probably prefer not to get the ones with wings. These are just what I had, and I don't want to have to buy different ones. So I'm going to open these up. You don't want to take off the backing. You just want to leave the backing on. So you'll just open it up. That's a big old pad, like so. Then you're going to take your aloe vera. Let's open this bad boy up. And you want to be very generous with it from the front to the back. Don't just do the middle because you want it cooling everywhere. So I'm just gonna take this and just pour a bunch. Then I'm going to use a spoon, let's see if you can see it, just to kind of spread it all around, making sure you're covering the entire pad with aloe vera. Last time I made these with my mother-in-law, so it was a nice bonding experience. Okay, once you have your aloe vera on, next you're going to do a tablespoon of witch hazel. This is half a tablespoon, so I'm just gonna do 2 of these, and then you're just gonna like sprinkle it throughout the middle. Okay, once you've done your witch hazel, then you're going to go in with your essential oil. So I have the Young Living one. It's just really great. So then you're gonna do like just a couple drops, just down the middle. There we go. Then, once you have done that, all your steps are completed. I'm gonna fold these tabs back over. And then you're just gonna fold it back up the way you found it and seal it shut. So now I've got 2. Once I put together a bunch more, I'm going to store them all in a Ziploc baggie and then put them in the freezer. So I made about 11 or 12, just because I'm about to run out of this. And now we're gonna just start storing them in the bags. So you're gonna help me? Okay. We're gonna go like this. There you go. Do you wanna put it in those bags? Put it in. Can you put it in? Thank you. I'm good with all of them. So I got them locked and loaded in the bag. Alexa. You can see her shirt is a mess because I gave her a popsicle while I did this. Sorry, I just realized the dryer's also on, so that might be really loud. Okay, so there you have it. These are the padsicles. Now they're in their bag, and I'm going to store them in the freezer. Then come time that I'm in postpartum, these will come in clutch. So that's how I make it. Now I'm going to give you a little... Now I'm going to take you on a little tour of the nursery. It's all done. Okay, so I have this 3-tiered cart that I actually got from my mom at my little baby sprinkle. This will actually go in the living room. I just put it in here for now so I didn't have to keep walking back and forth. So in the top tier, I've basically got like random miscellaneous things for baby and then miscellaneous things for mama. Ooh, I think I'm having another contraction. So in this top one, I've got some vitamin D drops for baby. I've got some saline mist, gripe water, nail clippers, got a thermometer, and then this is the, if I can open it, then this is the snot sucker, the Freedom Baby. And then for my necessities, my little random gadgets, I've got some breast pads, got some Advil here, painkillers, got my Haka in a mug, got a heating pad, and then down here I've got some hair ties and a clip. So that's the top portion. This second level, I've just got diapers. I actually have butt cream that will go up here as well, but that's currently packed away from my hospital bag. Then the second layer, I've got newborn diapers here, wipes, and then I've got Phoenix's diapers back here. So if I'm changing one set of diapers, I can go ahead and change Phoenix's diapers too. And in this bottom one, I've got just a bunch of burp cloths, extra clothes in case we have a blowout or spit up. Hi! And then this is just an extra swaddle. Okay, so this dresser I actually found at the thrift store. What a find. Got it for $55. Super proud of this. And I actually sanded the top myself, then painted the rest of it white, and then just changed the hardware on it. Oh, you brought me a cucumber. Thank you. So if you guys want a cucumber, I'm adding it to the room. So in these drawers right now, I'm super proud of my organization skills. Right now I've got like swaddles. These are the Velcro swaddles here. And then I've got the other swaddle right there. You really don't need that many swaddles. And then here are all of her PJs. You can see it is jam-packed. So right now what I have, these are the newborn sizes, and then it goes 0 to 3 months here. And then in here, I've got 0 to 3 month onesies. So this entire row is all newborn onesies. And then these are 0 to 3 months. 0 to 3 months. These are baby sister's clothes. They're so little. You used to wear these.
It won't fit.
Yeah, it won't fit you anymore. Okay, can you close the drawer?
Can you close it? There you go. Just a thrust to close. And then here we just have newborn bottoms, 0 to 3 month bottoms. These are like specialty things like overalls, tutus, you know. Yeah, they're too small for you. Thrust it. There you go. Nice. And then in these bottom two, she won't use these right away. These are actually 3 to 6 months. I just prepped them so I wouldn't have to do like going back down to our basement to get all the rest of the storage. So these are tops, little onesies. Okay, and thank you for that. And then in here, actually, I forgot to mention, this drawer actually has 3 to 6 month here. That's that row there. And then these are 3 to 6 month PJs. So we got that sorted. Those are her clothes. Everything's washed, ready to go. Got this little mirror at Five Below. Super cheap, super cute. I found this cute guy at the thrift store as well. This is only $6, so we just have random things on it. Some little bonnets, some towels, her ultrasound. Oh man, I'm out of breath from talking. We got her little laundry hamper here. Got that at Marshall's. Super cute. We got her crib over here. This is the same one we use with Phoenix because we moved Phoenix to a toddler bed pretty early on because she actually flipped out of her crib and I caught her. So we're like, it's time for a toddler bed. So got a super cute. I love this material. This is like the muslin, the same that you'd find like the swaddles, the muslin swaddles. So it's that same fabric. We got this crib sheet and then we got a spare one over here. Both washed, a little changing pad. I like this crib a lot because it came with like a changing station here. So we got like all the newborn diapers, wipes, super handy there. Right now, this is what we had previously, and it honestly fits the aesthetic of the room, so we're just keeping it. This is when my husband and I, when we met on cruise ships, my husband started this. He started collecting pins from the places we've been, so we just did that together. So we have the pins mapped out in the places that we've been. So that's just a pretty cool visual. These curtains we actually found at Target. I love them because they're blackout curtains, but they're not too obnoxious, just subtle. Right now we've actually have Phoenix's little pickler triangle in here, just because this is like the only room that I can sit comfortably and let her play. So we just have this in here for now. It'll be moved out eventually. Little pictures up here. I got these frames from the thrift store as well. They were $1 each. What a steal. So these were $1 focus. And then I just printed off these pictures at home. So I just thought those were super cute. This basket, also thrift store. I just had a great day at the thrift store. So yeah, this basket is thrifted, and this just has like socks, headbands, little hats, random things. And then we actually have baby's first toy rotation. How sweet. So yeah, we just have like stuff for her, you know, developmental stage because she's a newborn. So we'll just have tummy time with these little things. They're like foam material. This is also the same foam material. There's like some crinkly paper, whatnot. So these are all her like newborn things. That is basically her nursery. We got this rug at Walmart, which I'm so surprised they had something this cute. Yeah, it's pretty big. Minus Phoenix's boots. But yeah. So yeah, this is the state of the room at the moment. Yeah, the pickler triangle will be moved out eventually. But yeah, I love the way the room turned out. Super cute. What are you doing, ma'am? Butter. You want to put the butter back? Oh, okay. Do you just, you just unwrapped the whole butter and you're just going to eat it? Is that a good idea? Yeah. It is. Let's put it back. Anywho, so this is where this will actually live. right here in our living room. That way it's easy to move around. I could take this to my room if I needed. I wanted to do something like a cart just so it'd be easy, because Phoenix is at the stage where she's actually super helpful. So instead of being like, can you grab me a diaper, some wipes, all these things, I can just have her roll the cart over to me if she wants to help. If not, this is just super easy. Has everything I need basically, minus my water bottle, but I'll just have that beside me always. So yeah, I definitely recommend something like this. This is just super easy. But yeah, we're ready for baby when she wants to make her arrival. We got her little swing. Now we just need baby. All right, so I had to stop the video halfway through because I was having consistent contractions. So picked up where I left off, just kind of explaining. Got my lens fixed. If you didn't notice, I had a completely different lens. But I'm back, I'm excited. Now we're just waiting. I've definitely dropped. It's getting harder to walk around. I'm on strict orders now to not pick up Phoenix anymore, which is kind of sad. It's like bittersweet because she's not my baby anymore and she's not gonna be an only child. But I'm really excited. So now we're just kind of on baby watch at this point. So thank you so much for watching. I am now going to put stamps on my baby sprinkle thank you notes. I need to mail those out before baby girl comes. But other than that, we are all ready, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!